Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. It's Alicia here, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the September scarf from the Scarf Club. So if you're unfamiliar with the Scarf Club is a monthly membership, and it is $15 a month, and it includes one surprise scarf, one surprise gift, and free shipping and some other fun goodies, other discounts like random discount codes and things of that nature. So the way the Scarf Club works is membership opens between the 15th and the 25th of each month, and your scarf ships between the 1st and the 5th of that next month each month. So let's get to it. So this is going to be the September scarf. It comes in this cute little box. So let's see, we're going to open it up here. So that's the inside. Comes with a little card, and let's see what's in here. So this month's scarf, actually, should I start with the free gift or should I start with the scarf? So this is the scarf for this month. So let's open it and see what it looks like. And it has a tutorial card inside for different ways to tie your scarf. So this is the September scarf. And then this is the free gift. So if you are a member and you got your September scarf, I'm going to give you just a little quick tutorial on what this is. This is a massage tool. And just quick, you know, like at night before you go to bed, just to help like relieve tension or massage your scalp, you could do like a little, you know, in between here, or you can use it here. Same on the other side, you could do the and then you can use it this way along the back of your neck just to relieve some tension there, a little neck massage, and then it also give yourself a scalp massage. So it's such a great fun little tool. That's why I had to add it for this month, because it's freaking awesome. So that is a September Scarf Club. So again, this was the free gift. Each month you get a free gift and a scarf. So I'm gonna do a quick little scarf tutorial for you. Take it, fold it in half, fold it again, fold it again, and again. And you know my favorite style is the bow on top. So actually, let's not do the bow on top today. Let's do just the little twisted knot on top, tie it in a knot. You could take it and then take this and then tie it around in the back. So yeah, so that is a September scarf. Again, it is available exclusively with the Scarf Club. Scarf Club ships once a month. The subscription opens the 15th through the 25th. And yeah, so if you have any questions, send an email at info@nptresstreats.com. Thank you for watching. Love ya.